Have you ever frozen when someone says, "Hey, what's up?" and you reply like a robot, "I am fine, thank you."
Guilty. That was literally me when I first came to the US.
Today, we're fixing that forever. 10 real American greetings you actually hear every day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake.
And I'm Maria. So happy you're here today, guys.
So Maria, quick question before we start. When you first came to the United States, how was your English when you met new people?
Oh no, do I have to answer that?
Yes, be honest.
Okay, fine. It was not great. I knew textbook English. I could write essays. But the moment someone said, "Hey, what's up?" to me, I completely froze.
What did you say back?
I said, "I am doing well. Thank you for asking."
Oh no, Maria.
The person just stared at me because nobody talks like that in real life.
Nobody. That is not how real Americans greet each other. And that is exactly why we made today's video.
Today, we are giving you 10 real, natural greetings and small talk conversations, the kind you actually hear every single day in the USA.
We're going to show you the greeting, explain what it means, and then act it out so you can hear how it sounds naturally.
And at the end, we have a little challenge for you, so stay until the end.
Let's go. Greeting number 1. Hey, what's up? Okay, number 1. This is probably the most common casual greeting in America. Hey, what's up?
Now, what's up does not mean what is going up. It just means, how are you? What's going on in your life?
And the answer is never a long story. It's always short and casual. Like,
not much, or nothing much, just chilling, or even just, hey, back.
let's act it out. Imagine we're co-workers passing in the hallway.
Hey, Jake, what's up?
Hey, not much, just heading to grab some coffee. You?
Same, honestly. Monday, you know?
Right? Mondays are rough.
See how natural that was? Short, friendly, real.
Greeting number 2, how's it going? Number 2, how's it going? This one is a little more warm than what's up. You can use it with friends, coworkers, even people you just met.
And again, the answer is short. Pretty good. Or can't complain. Or going well, thanks.
Can't complain is a great one. It means things are okay, not perfect, but good enough.
Let's act it out. Imagine we're neighbors seeing each other outside.
Hey, Maria, how's it going?
Pretty good. Just got back from the grocery store. How about you?
Can't complain. Beautiful day out, right?
Oh, I know. Finally some sunshine.
Notice how we asked each other questions back. That's the secret to good small talk. Always bounce it back. Greeting number 3, long time no see.
Number 3, long time no see. You say this when you haven't seen someone in a while. Weeks, months, maybe years.
And it's always said with energy and warmth, like you're genuinely happy to see them.
Because you are.
Let's act it out. Old friends running into each other at a supermarket.
Oh my gosh, Jake, long time no see.
Oh, Maria, wow, how long has it been? Like 6 months?
At least, maybe more. You look great, by the way.
Thank you, so do you. What have you been up to?
Oh, you know, just staying busy. Work, life, the usual. You?
Same. Hey, we should catch up properly sometime. Coffee?
Yes, absolutely. Let's actually do it this time.
Let's actually do it this time. That means they've said this before but never followed through. Very real, very human. Greeting number 4, good to see you.
Number 4, good to see you. Simple, warm, works in almost every situation, casual or slightly formal.
You can say it when you arrive somewhere, good to see you. Or when you're leaving, it was so good to see you.
Let's act it out. 2 colleagues at a work meeting.
Maria, good to see you. How was your weekend?
Really good, thanks. I went hiking actually. First time in forever.
No way. Where did you go?
Just a local trail, nothing crazy, but it was so nice to get outside. Do you hike?
I used to. I really should start again. Maybe you can show me the trail sometime.
Definitely, it's beautiful this time of year.
Number 5, how have you been? This one is a little deeper than how's it going. It suggests you haven't seen the person in a while and you genuinely want to know about their life.
The answer can be a little longer here. Not super long, but you can share a little more.
Like, I've been great, actually just started a new job. Or, honestly, it's been a busy few months.
Honestly, at the start of a sentence, that's very natural in American English. It means you're about to tell the real truth.
Let's act it out. 2 old classmates meeting at a coffee shop by chance.
Jake? Oh wow, hey, how have you been?
Genuinely warm. Maria, I've been really good, honestly. Just moved to a new apartment, new job, lots of changes lately. How about you?
Oh, that's amazing. I've been good too. A little tired, but good. Life is busy, you know?
Always, but good busy, I hope.
Yeah, good busy. Number 6, what have you been up to? This means, what have you been doing lately? What's new in your life?
Up to is one of those little English phrases that sounds confusing, but you'll hear it all the time.
You can answer with anything. Oh, just working a lot, traveling a bit. Honestly, nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting is very honest and very relatable.
Let's act it out. 2 friends texting, but we'll say it out loud for you.
Hey, what have you been up to lately?
Honestly, not much. Just working and trying to survive. You?
Same. Oh, but I did start cooking more at home, trying new recipes.
Wait, really? You cook now?
I'm trying to. Keyword, trying.
That's so fun though. You'll have to make me something sometime.
Deal. If it doesn't burn. Number 7. This one is for meeting someone brand new. Nice to meet you. Classic, clean, works every time.
And a very natural response is, you too, or nice to meet you as well, or I've heard so much about you.
I've heard so much about you. That's a warm one. It means someone told you about this person before.
Let's act it out. Jake is introducing Maria to his friend for the first time.
Hey Maria, I want you to meet my friend David. Hi David, this is Maria.
Hi David, nice to meet you. Jake talks about you all the time.
Huh, good things I hope.
Only good things, I promise.
Only good things, I promise. Very natural, very friendly. People love hearing that.
Number 8, how's everything going? Similar to how's it going, but it feels a little warmer, like you're asking about their whole life, work, family, everything.
Great for someone you haven't talked to in a little while, like a distant friend or a family member.
Let's act it out. A phone call between 2 friends who haven't talked in a month.
Hey Maria, how's everything going?
Oh, you know, busy, but good. Work has been crazy lately. How about you? How's the family?
Everyone's good. My sister just had a baby actually.
Wait, no way. Oh my gosh, congratulations. Boy or girl?
A little girl, she's beautiful.
That is so exciting. You're an uncle now.
I know, it still doesn't feel real. Number 9, it's been a while. Very casual, very warm. You say this when some time has passed since you last saw or talked to someone.
It's almost like long time no see, but a little softer, a little more gentle.
And people usually follow it with a question like, what have you been up to? Or how are things?
Let's act it out. Running into an old friend at a gym. Jake, hey, it's been a while.
Oh wow, Maria, I know, right? Are you a member here now?
Yeah, just started last month. Trying to get back into it, you know how it is.
Totally. I keep telling myself the same thing.
Well, now we have no excuse. We can motivate each other.
Deal. Don't let me skip leg day.
No promises. And number 10, our last one, so good to run into you. Run into means to meet someone by accident, not planned.
This is one of the most natural, warm things you can say when you unexpectedly see someone you like.
It immediately makes the other person feel good, like you're happy the universe brought you two together in that moment.
Let's act it out. 2 people seeing each other at a bookstore. Maria, oh wow, so good to run into you.
Jake, I know, what are the chances? Are you a big reader?
I'm trying to be. I keep buying books and not finishing them.
Same. My bookshelf is basically a collection of good intentions.
That's exactly what mine is. Hey, do you want to grab a coffee after this and catch up a little?
I would love that, yes.
Okay, guys, we promised you a challenge at the end. Here it is.
This week, use at least 3 of these greetings in real life with a coworker, a neighbor, a friend, anyone.
And if you're not around English speakers yet, that's okay. Practice with yourself in the mirror. Seriously, it works.
Say them out loud. Feel how they sound in your mouth. Get comfortable with them.
Because the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And one day someone says, "Hey, what's up?" And you just say,
Not much, you? Snaps fingers, without even thinking.
that's the goal. Natural, confident, easy.
Tell us in the comments which greeting was your favorite, or which one surprised you the most.
We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you guys.
If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow so we can keep making these lessons for you.
And subscribe if you haven't already. New English lessons every week. Real conversations, real life, real English.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye, guys. Big wave and smile.